What's going on, YouTube? So today is a day that we start a new build series on the channel, and something I've been wanting to do for a long time, so let's get into it. So for a while I've been wanting to build another Honda since I left the Honda game like long time ago, and for a while I've been doing Subarus, Nissans, and stuff like that, so it's been some time since I've delved into the Honda series. And well, this new series is going to be on a Honda that I've wanted to own for a really long time. I had one way back in the day. I never did anything with it, never drove it. It sat in my garage for like a month, and then I got rid of it. And well, I'll show you. This is my Honda Civic Wagovan, or as a lot of people know it, the Honda Civic Shuttle. When I got to El Paso, it was kind of my thing to want to build another Honda. While I was on deployment, I found this one sitting in a garage and made a deal with the guy, and well, here it is. I have not touched this car, except I moved it a couple times and I sprayed it. It's kind of a project, but it's not in that worse of shape. I've seen kind of worse. Go over a little bit of the interior. And look at these cool racing seats that don't exist. The interior, as you can see, is kind of hit, and that's okay. This is a full restoration project, and well, there's lots of parts and other things inside the car. Like I said, I haven't touched anything, I haven't cleaned it out, I haven't done anything of the sort. It's literally just kind of sat in this spot next to all of the stuff. I just recently moved into the house. But here's another bit overview of the chassis. Now, the owner that owned this car before me, it did sat in his garage for like 2 years, and then the guy before him dumped it on some eBay sleeves. Just, you know, the old school sleeve and springs that we all used to run back in high school that we all thought were cool, and we bebopped and bounced around in our little Hondas, and well, that's what it's on it. So yeah, nothing crazy special that's inside of it. It's just a stock DX engine. Nothing wild. Like I said, I did try to wash it a little bit, but I'm pretty happy that it's all factory inside the engine bay. So that is pretty cool. What is going inside this monster is a 1.6 liter JDM Rover engine, and of course, an all-wheel drive D-Series Wagovan transmission, the real-time four-wheel drive trans. Now this swap has roughly about, well, and trans is unknown, but the engine has about 14,000 miles. Not sure what that is in kilometers off the top of my head. That was pulled from a running wagon. My buddy put a B-Series in it, and that's what's now going to go in this car. And then, of course, we still have to collect some of the all-wheel drive parts, like the drive shaft, trailing arms, and some other Wagovan parts. But like I said, I don't know what's underneath of this car because I have yet to look underneath of it. My main focus has been the Skyline and working on that. And now that that's done, I closed the chapter on that car, and then now we're gonna be working on this. So I also have these parts over here. I have 3 wiring harnesses. I have 2 SI harnesses complete, missing a couple plugs, but they're pretty much complete that I'm going to use for the multi-port fuel injection. And then I have the original Wagovan shifter, cables, new clutch, and matching alternator to the Rover. So this is the introduction video to the YouTube series, and when I start diving into it later today, I'll put another video up. So until then, enjoy, and I hope you guys like the content on the wagon. Thanks.